In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening a gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Either way, when you find your photos that you wish to get rid of, hold one of them and click on Select All at the top right corners. To keep some of them, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use Remove button at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!